Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows related to the site bby.online. Bbyr.online is a malicious site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make users download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. But such extensions actually may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. So if you ever see these pop-ups by Bbyr.online, do not trust them, do not tolerate them. Such pop-ups are really fake and deceptive. So as I said, don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the consequence of certain adware on the computer. We recommend you to do the following. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions, so disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page Bbyr.online, download it, install it, and start investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.